Hello guys. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to turn on screen time breaks on TikTok. This will help you to spend less time on social media. First let's quickly check if TikTok is updated. Open App Store or Google Play Store and find TikTok. If there is a button update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds. Now head over to TikTok. And it down the right corner, click on profile icon. The profile page will open up. Now in the top right corner click on hamburger menu. Here click on settings and privacy. List of options will show up. Find an option called screen time and click on it. Here you can see daily time spent on TikTok. Okay, let's set up the screen time breaks. On the top of the screen, find an option called screen time breaks. Click on it. Pop-up window will show up. Here you can choose the time for which you want TikTok to notify you. I will choose for 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes I will get a notification to take a break from scrolling. That will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more videos like this.